Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 7th, 2019, and I want to show you today how to feed your pepper seedlings. Now, my pepper seedlings have their true leaves, and there's some over here, and then there's some more growing in the box over there that they didn't get their true leaves yet. They're still germinating, so let me pull these out from under this light here. See them better. Well, and I'm sorry about the video delay on how to feed these. So I'm going to show you here how to feed these. Now I'm going to be using Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I do 1/4 a teaspoon to a gallon of water. That's how I feed my seedlings, and that's how I actually start feeding most of my seedlings. Now you can use an organic plant food on these if you like. Seed Magic is a really good plant food for seedlings. It also helps prevent dampening off disease. And I have used that already on seedlings, and I had really good results from it. But I'm running a little low on Seed Magic, so I'm just going to be using the Miracle-Gro just for the seedlings themselves. But I'll have a link down in the description for the Seed Magic if you want to check that out. I experimented with it in December and January on feeding seedlings with it, and they did very well. And they really seem to respond well to the Seed Magic. So I moved the pepper plants out from the light so I could show you here how to feed them. So in my little watering can here, I have my Miracle-Gro already mixed up. 1/4 a teaspoon to a gallon of water, and I'm just going to go through and I'm going to gently water these. Now I'm only watering the soil, and my seed starting mix is nice and moist. You never want to feed a dry plant because you can burn the root system on it, and I don't want to do that. The 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water for the food will give it a nice nutrient start. And I also have mosquito dung, a little bit of a mosquito dung mixed in with the water. Sometimes you can get gnats, fungus gnats, and the mosquito dungs will get rid of the larvae. So I'll have a link down in the description for those. I just break a little piece off of the mosquito dung and put it in the water and shake it up, let it dissolve, and then I just water my plants and my seedlings with it, and it really helps. So I'm going to finish feeding these here, and I'll feed these once a week with this mixture. And then as they continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. So that's how I feed my pepper seedlings. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll give updates on there about different things that are coming up, how seedlings are doing, gardening tips. So I have a link down in the description for that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!